Alright, you got about 5.6 million Twitter followers. You're making a digital advertisement for your Module Station topic. You're going to tweet it out to everybody. You can use Sketchpad 5.1. The link is here and here on Edmodo. Once you click it, you make your design. Make sure you have everything spelled correctly and you got it looking the way you want it. You come over here to export. You can click that button. It's got different options for you to use to save it. You can the one we want to pick is JPEG, so we're going to click Save JPEG File. It's going to download. You can click it to open it. This right here is just a temporary file, so you want to right-click it, Save As, save it in your pictures. Okay. It's going to say Save a copy. Save a copy. Now you're good to go. Now you can go to your Padlet page. So click on your Padlet page, and you have a title, and you're going to put who is it by. So your title, you want to put and then who's it by, and then you want to find your file, so you can put this 3 little dots, click upload from your computer. I'll pick a file, go to my pictures, upload it. There it is. Also, if you have other information you're going to put in your post, you can put that also. So I'm going to copy my example and paste it on my post. So this is my advertisement. I've used Sketchpad 5.1 to create my design to help promote it. And this is what it's going to say when I post it to my social media place of choice. And that is about it.